This will be the representational approach to solving 616 divided by 4 using the standard algorithm for division. So again, 616 is our dividend. That represents our starting amount. So you have 6 hundreds, 1 10, and then 6 ones. These are representing those base 10 blocks. And then divided by 4, our divisor is 4, so that means either the number of groups or the size of each group. And in this case, we're going to assume that means the number of groups. Okay, so we start with our largest place value, which is going to be hundreds in this place, and we'll move from larger to smaller, placing these into 4 equal groups as we go along. And to signify that we've moved something into a group, we're going to just cross those out. Okay. So I can take 4 hundreds. I'm just going to place my groups here along the bottom. And take those 400s and put those into those 4 groups. Now we have these 200s that are left over. We can't place those into the groups, so those need to be decomposed or regrouped into 10s. So instead of 100 here, cross this out. I'll give myself some room here. So there we have 10 tens. So 10 tens and 100 is the exact same quantity. That's why we're able to regroup. And we'll do that to our other 100 as well. Okay, so in our original quantity, we still have tens, and then we still have those ones. So here we have 10 tens, there's another 10 tens, and then one more 10. So we have a total of 21 tens. We need to distribute those into those 4 groups equally. So again, we can put 5 tens into each. Okay, so we've removed 20 of the tens from our starting amount. We still have this 110 that's left up here. Can't place that into any of those groups equally. So we need to regroup this as well. So instead of 110, we need to think of this as 10 ones. I'll just kind of draw this off to the side here. Okay, so now we have 10 ones and 6 ones, so we have a total of 16 ones. And again, we can distribute those into those 4 groups equally. And you could go one at a time if you needed to, but you can also just recognize that we can put 4 into each. So this would be one group there, these 2, and those 2 would be another group, those 4, those 4. So again, we don't have anything left in our starting amount. The total of 616 has been distributed into those 4 groups. We have our 4 equal groups. We're looking for what is the size of each of those equal groups. Each has 100, and each has 5 tens, and each has 4 ones. So our total quantity, our final group size then is 100, 5 tens, and 4 ones, or 154.